Welcome to today's video. In this video, I will guide you through how to make transparent background in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint application and go to Home option and create some slides. And once you created slides, go to the Insert option. From the picture, you can upload the picture, or you can simply drag and drop from the picture location. Once it's uploaded the picture, right click, cut the picture, and once it's done you can see option called picture and texture fill. Select that one and click on the clipboard. So as in your background you uploaded picture, so you can adjust the transparency according to your preference. So I just keep it in 70, and once it's done you can apply for all the slides. So just simply click the apply to all button. So this is how add transparent background in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching my video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button.